All right, this is a little bit more tricky because I have to go back and forth on different things. So hopefully, I mean, my headshot is good enough. But anyway, let's turn into the computers, and I'm showing you here the picture of, basically I'm walking you through the job site. We started in the of course in the office, then we walk on the first terraces and the second terraces. Don't know if I mentioned this, but this is pretty prominent tech company that are opening or updating their offices in Boston. This is another terrace. Everything that you see on the terrace is what we are doing with elevated pavers and planters and curbs and benches, and it's a good combination of grass, natural material, stone, and so forth. So for those of you that are from the area, probably can recognize where we are at. This is the major and the biggest terraces that we are looking at, and this is where we have most of the planters. Same terrace, different view. So let me show you where we started. We started basically with this architectural drawing. Let me see if I can scroll them to show you. Basically these are all the different terraces, and there's not that many. I mean, there's more drawings, but there's not really point in showing too much. This is a good focal point, in particularly this section here, which I'll show you more into the actually let me get into this one here, which, so basically from the architectural drawing we developed the shop drawings, where starting from the architect idea and perception, we line up the tiles to the dimension that was requested, and we cut the planters in a section that will line up with the joint of the tiles. So it's been a kind of a challenge to do that, but the most important part is to see how we also develop these 3D shapes. This is just one for the small curves, and there's another one here. And the interesting part is that in doing this new innovative approach, we actually saved quite a bit of time in the construction, and of course money, because the other option would have been to do this in cement, and the coordination with different trade make this job sort of a challenge and finger pointing. So that was a great idea from the architect to find this way of doing it. This basically is the cutting sheet. So after developing the drawings, we have all the cutting sheets, so the installer knows how many needs in the crates and where they have to be positioned on the job site. And again, this is the original where we started, and this is the final idea. So I hope you got it. I'm looking forward to seeing the actual job completed. We are actually in the process of cutting the slabs, the blocks actually, and the tiles and slabs in Italy. I will put you some picture. I can't just do everything in one video.